Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix audio issue. There is no audio for your video source from VLC media player. So that's what I'm going to explain. For example, I'm going to add VLC video source. Already I have saved this M3U8 files. So add files on desktop. So this is the file M3U8. So selecting it and give OK. So here there is no audio. So I'm going to fix this now. Before that, right, what you need to do is, for that, right, go to settings and here go to advanced audio properties, and here, right, this audio monitoring is off. So we need to change monitor and output. Once you change, right, automatically the audio should come, but still it doesn't come. So what you need to do is you need to close OBS Studio and reopen it. OBS Studio is closed and reopened. OBS Studio is closed and reopened, but still there is no audio. Even, right, I have selected this desktop audio monitor and output, and VLC video source also selected as monitor and output, but still there is no sound. So what you need to do is open VLC media player. So here, right, we need to verify which track the audio track is. So I'm going to play the same YouTube video here. Stream, network, selected, paste it. So stream, next, stream. So the same video is playing in VLC. I'm going to check which audio track it is. So go to audio track. So track 2 is selected. Super cool. Now I'm going to fix it. So go to VLC video source. Double click it, and audio track 1 is selected. So I'm going to change it to 2. Type 2 and then give OK. If it is 3, we need to enter 3. Then I'm giving OK. VLC video source is restarted, but still there is no sound. Simple thing, I'm going to fix it. So just close this OBS Studio and reopen it. You will hear the sound for sure. So I'm going to close it. Even VLC media player we can close it. Then open OBS Studio.
Here to find out how we are cleaning up our underground.
I think now you are able to hear the sound, I guess. Super cool, right? So this is the way you can fix in VLC video source. So this audio properties should be monitor and output. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.